How's it going, guys? Just a little tip video today. Probably gonna get out fishing tomorrow, so I'm looking for a video this weekend for you guys. But yeah, I had a few things to do, and one of them was change out a dry rotted tire, basically ready to blow up on my trailer for my boat. So in order for me to get out and film and stuff like that, I need a good running rig. So I put together two little tips, well, maybe three, things to look out for you guys that are just getting into the boating thing. Anybody that's been boating for a long time obviously knows these things, but just, you know, little helpful hints for you guys that are just getting started. Maybe you just bought your first, you know, little John boat or whatever. But if it's on a trailer, these tips will help, so stay tuned.
I just wanted to give this tip to anybody that's at home, doesn't have a floor jack, needs to change his tire. So it's all leverage. So it rolls. That's tall enough that when I pull that back block out, after rolling it up that wedge just a little bit, it will hover. So that's my jack basically. It's actually my auger stand, but it works exactly the height I need it to keep that about an inch off the ground. So pull that out, pull this out, that'll hover. I can take it off. I need to go get that changed. So if you can see all those dry rots, that'll cause you trouble on the freeway. Well, highway, anywhere, because your tire can explode. I have a nice new one on that side, but I didn't replace this one last year, so gotta do this next. Just a good friendly tip to everybody out there. Alright, tip number 2. If you're an ice fisherman, you know what a spud bar is. If you got a collapsible spud bar held together by the pin, I have the tip on the other side, but just so happens to be the exact size you need for a force multiplier. So a torque bar. So there you go. Simple thing. Those were on there pretty tight. I was going to be struggling with it if I just had to use my hands, but thank God I used my brain. So there's another tip.
Okay, guys, I hope that video helped you guys out. I know it's just a quick little one. It was just meant to help anybody new to the world of pulling trailers, especially you guys that are just getting out on the lakes and rivers for the first time. Everybody wants to travel in the spring. Everybody wants to have fun. So remember to check your gear. Go over your tires. I like to check them anytime I'm going on a trip. You know, check your tire pressure, check your status of your tread wear, all that stuff. So make sure you're on top of that, and that way you don't get halfway to where you're going and a blown tire wrecks your trip, and maybe even your year if you wreck your boat, you know, pulling it. So hope this helps you guys out. Stay tuned. It's getting warmer out. It's getting actually beautiful outside, so if it stays this way, the fish should be getting real active real soon. So thanks for watching the video. I hope it helps a few guys out. If you like it, remember to